told your friend you're
3 steps
not
to stop mentally
okay.
translating and start
Tell me
thinking in
what's wrong
English.
and why you
To stop
never
translating your thoughts
said
into
you
English,
felt that
follow these
way.
3 simple steps.
Guess you're trying to stay
Learn to
strong
think in
and
English
fake a
instead of
smile
translating in your
until
thoughts
I
if you want to speak it
look
smoothly
away.
and naturally.
But I've known you too long.
Translating in your
It
thoughts
hurts
is a
to
huge
watch your
challenge,
blue
and here's
eyes
why.
fade to gray
Translations
as
take
you
time to
fade
complete.
away.
It takes twice as long to analyze information and hunt for words or grammatical
As you
structures in
fade
English to express the same ideas.
away.
Imagine, for example, that in a discussion
Yeah, I'm
group
about to
or
fade
business
away.
meeting,
Cause
everyone
every
takes
time I
turns
wake up
speaking.
I feel like it's
Since
Monday.
you
Something's
require time
going
to
wrong with
translate
all the
between
chemicals up
languages,
in my
when it's your
brain.
turn,
All of a
you remain
sudden
mute
I
for a
don't
few
look at
minutes.
anything the same way.
No,
Got a buildup
patience
of
is a
my
virtue.
thoughts sitting in an
It doesn't
ashtray.
matter
I'm
whether
sorry
they're
that I'm
willing to
so
wait for you, since
inconvenient,
crises don't
okay?
care.
Just let me be
When time
me
is
and
of
I'll
the
stay out
essence,
of your
how can you
way.
get
I
your
can see
point
the way you
across?
look at me, I'm such a
The messages are
disgrace.
not
I never
effectively
really
conveyed via
asked to be
translation.
brought into this place.
In
You
a
wanna
nutshell,
love me?
language is
Well
a
then
barrier.
baby I have a taste.
It's
All the
possible
highs
that
and the
your native
lows,
tongue
no you'll
doesn't
never
have
be
any
the same. I don't really
vocabulary,
wanna
slang, or
hurt you,
idioms
but
like
I
those
can't
found in
control the
English
pain. If you're sticking by my
English
side,
grammar
maybe
has
we
its
could
own
be
set of
okay.
rules.
Okay, okay,
There have bits of
maybe
word
you could
order,
be the change
structure,
I
and
need
senses
today.
underneath.
I promise that I've
You may not
never
be able to
felt
convey
this
the
way.
sentence
I really hope that
even
you
with the
will
comfortable
choose
words
to
or
stay
structures.
through all the pain.
Another
I
problem
know
is
you told
mistranslation.
your friend you're
There may
not
be serious
okay.
consequences for those who
Tell
don't
me
have a decent
what's
grasp of
wrong and
English or
why
their
you
native
never
language.
said you
For
felt that
example,
way.
second language learners
Guess you're trying to
often
stay
confuse
strong
lead
and
with
fake a
abandon,
smile
despite the fact that the two
until I
terms
look
indicate
away.
quite different things in
But I've known
English.
you too long.
Let's take a look at a
Hurts to
well-known
watch
event
your
that you may have
blue
heard
eyes
of.
fade to gray.
During President Nixon's
As you
1977 trip to
fade
Poland, he gave an open
away.
address to the nation's citizens, which was broadcast
As you
live on
fade
television.
away.
When he said, "When I leave the United States," he meant
As you
when I visit
fade
the United States. The news traveled quickly throughout both nations. Surely you're aware of the repercussions. Media outlets in both nations found the situation urgent. Translation, as you can see, complicates matters. Information processing time and communication steps have been doubled. It's also a concern because of translation.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you
Step
told
1.
your
Organize your
friend
thoughts
you're
with
not
language.
okay.
Think modestly
Tell me
and
what's
answer.
wrong and why
I'm
you
referring to
never
thinking in simple
said you
terms.
felt that way.
Be patient.
I
It
guess
will
you're
all
trying to
work out
Stay
in the end.
strong and fake a
Keep your
smile
cool.
until I
You don't
look
have to.
away.
Let's
But
make
I've known
learning
you
a
too
second
long.
language
It
as easy
hurts
as
to
learning your
watch
first.
your blue eyes
Your mother
fade to
language
gray.
education begins with the
As you
basics,
fade
such as the names of your
away.
parents, grandparents, pets, and colors like pink and blue.
As you fade
Let's see if you can accomplish this in English first. You talk about what you notice in your everyday
you
life.
fade
Put aside your first language. Make an effort to communicate all your excitement in English. You'll remember the term table when you see a picture of an actual table in your mind. The skeleton words are linked to thinking and speaking in English. As a result, you will take the time to answer when you talk. As a result, you might have to search for a synonym in English and then
I
in your
know
own tongue.
you told your
Step
friend
2.
you're
Form
not
sentences in your
okay.
mind.
And tell me
We'll now go
what's
on to
wrong
the
and
sentence
why
level
you
after the word
never
level.
said you
A
felt
lot of
that
time
way.
and work is required for this process,
Strong and fake
but it's
a
well
smile
worth it.
until I
Take heart.
look away.
It's a table.
But I've known
I
you
own a
too
table.
long.
Blue is
It
the color
hurts
of the
to
table,
watch your
and so
blue
on.
eyes fade to
Take it day
gray.
by day, step by step. After getting used to forward phrases, go for lengthier ones. What if I said, "My table is larger than yours. The table is next to the bookshelf. There is an apple on the table." Or anything similar? You begin with little chunks of language and gradually build them up in size.
You can see
You're
me
just
riding on the
starting out, it's
pavement.
best not to
Young
attempt
kids that
phrases
growing
that
up
are
in
very
basements. Online, a whole new
You'll be let down
generation.
if
I'ma
that's
make
the
mine, so you better go take
Yes,
it.
the method is
Always
much
they
more
need a new
familiar now.
replacement. Decentralized,
Third
can't
step,
contain
think
it.
about what
We're
you're saying
changing
throughout
lives,
the
yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
Make free speeches by combining sentences.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah.
Have a
We
discussion
were
with your
built to
thoughts.
thrive, yeah.
As a result of your
I
lack
think
of
that we've all had
self-assurance, you should
enough.
begin by
Keeps you up
conversing
at
with
night,
yourself.
yeah. Make all all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah.
School, dreams,
I think that we've all had
favorite
enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. The world that keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to
In order
thrive,
to keep your
yeah.
brain active, you
I
should
think
be
that we've all had
thinking
enough. What keeps you
The more
up
you
at
think
night,
of
yeah.
it, the more
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
to do it every day.
I think that we've all had
You will be
enough.
able to
Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Repetition and reinforcement are necessary for deep learning. Learning a single
I
phrase
know
or
you
statement is the
told
only
your
way to
friend
achieve
you're
this.
not okay.
Repetition is
Tell me
essential.
what's wrong
The
and
process
why
of
you
picking up a new
never
language
said you
requires the
felt
development
that
of
way.
new habits.
Guess you're trying to stay
Neural
strong
connections
and
are
fake
strengthened
a
over
smile
time as a result of
until
repeated
I
exposure
look
to a
away.
concept.
But I've known
Your
you too
brain is where the
long,
action
it
takes
hurts to
place.
watch your blue
It's
eyes
easier to
fade
speak
to
English
gray.
fluently when you've studied
As you
vocabulary,
fade away,
phrases, and more thoroughly. It is the finest
yeah.
way to become proficient in English
As you
if you wish to
fade
speak it spontaneously and effortlessly. You'll be amazed at how quickly you'll improve your
Yeah, I'm
English
about to
fluency.
fade away.
Follow the
Cause
three
every
stages
time I wake
outlined
up
in
I
this
feel like it's
article.
Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at